Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And for the last couple of weeks, gold is acting like a thriller suspense web series, and we cannot deny it. Gold was an uptrend. Gold made a high of almost 2483. We thought that gold is heading towards 2500, but there was a big correction on the chart of gold. Then again, gold tried to continue the upside. There was a big drop on gold, and we can see that gold is trying to go up again. In comparison to the selling pressure, okay, the recovery is not very strong, but still we cannot deny that technically market is showing signs of reversal again. So it's very thrilling to observe the chart of gold. And if you observe the higher time frame, then it's a confusion. Okay, because we have a big contradiction between the higher time frame and the lower time frame. As we all know that we all have been waiting for a big correction on the chart of gold for a long time, especially on the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of gold. Okay, if you love to follow the higher time frame, you must be knowing millions of traders around the world, okay, or we all are waiting for a big correction on the chart of gold. But whenever market is showing signs of trend reversal, again a news is coming and market is going up again. So if you are still hoping that gold is coming to 2100, 2200, okay, I have no words to say. Okay, let's leave it on time. Okay, time will speak. If we look at the daily chart of gold, then we can see that on the daily chart market has taken support around the 50 moving average, and this can be a good position for positional traders. Okay, they can take a buy above 2400 and we can expect the market to head towards 2450 in the next few days. For day traders, okay, daily chart can be an indication that yes, market is again going for the upside. And as we all know, fundamentally gold is bullish, and right now we do not have any big news that will bring a big correction on the chart of gold. After all, we cannot deny that for any correction or continuation, fundamentals are important. Without any big fundamental reason, gold will never go down to the 2100 or 2200. So let's wait and watch. Time will speak. And most of us are day traders here, so we need to focus on the present trend of the market and we need to go with the flow. And my dear friends, today not only I'm wearing the t-shirt of FastBull, but we are also using the charting platform of FastBull. FastBull has been a blessing for traders like us with their fundamental analysis. Their economic calendar is extremely helpful at the time of news that tells us about the direction of the market, and their newly launched charting platform is also a blessing because in TradingView we need to go for the subscription to use features like multiple chart layout, alerts, and we also don't get real-time price or quotes in our free account in TradingView. But in Chartbull, you get everything and you also don't need to pay anything. You can add up to 64 charts here. You can use or have your own preferred chart layout like this. And the best part is that the price that we get here is real-time quote, means you do not get delayed price like the trading view. And here you don't have any limitation of indicators like trading view. In trading view, in free version, you must be knowing you cannot add more than 2 indicators right now, but in in FastBull, we can add as many indicators as we want. Using too many indicators is not a good thing, but yes, you have the facility here. So isn't it amazing, my dear friends? Feel free to check out FastBull. The link is in the description. You can also download a mobile application. Everything is cool and free. So let's discuss about the trading opportunities for Monday. So market is again heading towards the important level of 2400. Okay, so 2400 is going to play a crucial role and market opening is going to be important. So if market behaves like a normal Monday market where we do not have much volatility, then we can look for some quick bounces around 2376 2372 and 2367.50. These are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a quick bounce of 20-25 pips if market starts coming down after the market opening. But yes, you need to observe the volatility and or the volume first. If you see the market is coming down with small candles, then we can look for a support around these levels. But on the other hand, if market surprises us with a big red candle, because during the new weekend, if any news comes out, then obviously we will see a huge reaction by the market. So market opening will be important. Low volatile normal market opening, we can expect these three levels to provide 20-25 pips bounce. If we see the market is going down with big red candles, forget about these three levels, they are not going to work. In that case, you only need to look for the support around 2353, the low made by the market, and 235. So this is a zone in the market. Okay, so this will be the next support on the chart of gold if market goes down with heavy selling pressure, or otherwise we can expect quick bounce around these three levels. Clear? And yesterday market made a high around 2391. Okay, and we also have a resistance around 2393. Let me show you. Okay, first of all, I forgot. Let me. Okay, so you can see these are the three levels that we just discussed right now are the FIBO levels. FIBO 38.2, FIBO 50, and FIBO 61.8. 2376, FIBO 38.2. Along with that, you can see the 50 moving average will also be the support here. 2372 because of FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, along with that, we can see previous support around this area. Okay, so FIBO 38.2, FIBO 50, and 2367 because of FIBO 61.8, along with that previous support around the area. So that's why we are considering these traders, but they are not very strong. And this was the high made by the market yesterday, and around the same level we also have the 100 moving average. So if market goes up also, my dear friends, okay, you need to avoid trading around 2393 area. Okay, if market breaks 2393 with good buying, then we can go for a buy, and do not expect much because we have the next immediate resistance around 2400. Means if market breaks also 2393, we can expect 40 to 60 pips. By 2400 market will face some resistance again. At 2400, what will happen? It is difficult to tell right now. You can see at 2400, 2401, 2402 area, not only we have a psychological resistance, but also FIBO 61.8% retracement level as well. So that's why this level is going to be very important. If you're a scalper, if you want to scalp, then you can look for a quick sell around this area. Okay, otherwise only buy around this area. If market reverses, if you want to sell, that's your personal choice. Okay, but as of now, we need to wait for the market to open, because market opening is going to be important for all of us. Okay, so if market goes on after market opening with low volume, 2376, 2372, 2367, these are the three levels where you can look for a quick bounce. If market goes down with heavy selling pressure, 2353, 2350 will be the support. On the other hand, if market goes up, do not take buy immediately. Let the market go cross 2393. Okay, 2393. If market breaks the level, then we can look for a buy above 2393. How much you can expect? 50 to 60 pips, because immediate resistance will be around 2400. Okay, if market reverses from 2400, that's your personal choice. You can look for a sell. So right now we can see that market is going for recovery, but the recovery is not very strong. We do not have any solid fundamental factor also that will make gold fly. That's why, okay, we are going for level to level trading, because safety is important, capital protection is also important. When we will have a trend, then we will follow the trend of the market. We will not go for any day trades. And keep in touch with the news, okay, because any news will have impact on the chart of gold or on the market opening. Okay, and if gold breaks 2400, next resistance will come around 2417, but 2417 is far away. Let's wait for the market to open first. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. Okay, and have a lovely weekend. Enjoy with your friends and family. Bye bye.